Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. My name is Danielle, this is A Novel Plan, and I am so happy to have everybody here. Today we are going to be working in my Erin Condren Hourly. I'm going to be setting up the dashboard page in this planner. Alright, so it's May. I'm nearing the end of this planner and it's a little sad. I have enjoyed this planner. I have kind of found my home in this planner and I don't really know what I'm going to do for the next planner. The planner launch is coming out soon and they have A5s and they have the ring bound and there's all different sorts of themes. I'm so excited, but not quite there yet, so I have to finish out this planner. I actually bought this planner on a buy-sell trade to try out an hourly back in October, I think. Yeah, this was my first spread in it, and that's my first monthly, which is pretty crazy. But I didn't really use it in the beginning very much, and then my style kind of changed. I used Happy Planner stickers, and then there's some more Happy Planner. And then January I didn't do this, but this whole entire time I didn't really use my notes section, this dashboard page at all. February, I kind of used it. I set it up. March, I didn't use it at all. And then April is when I really jumped into it. This was April right here. This is the first time I set it up and actually used it, and I love it. So this over here was where my goals are. At the end, I did check off when I would hit a goal. And then this is the 19th. I went ahead and kind of filled this out a little bit. I decided to kind of rate each category how I did. I did really well on 3 of them, poor on 2 of them, and okay on 1 of them. But I like that to see kind of what maybe needs to transfer over or not. Down here was where I tracked my habits. I wrote my habits at the top here. I wanted to work out 3 times a week, clean the sink at night, have it be completely empty, read 2 chapters daily, and then a no spend on planner things. So I went ahead and tracked everything down here. My reading 2 chapters was great. I do it every single day like clockwork. Cleaning the sink was pretty good, but it could be better. Working out is hit or miss, and the no spend is okay too. So then at the top here I rated kind of how I thought these habits went. So working out, I'm going to keep that habit for next month. Cleaning the sink, I'm going to keep that for next month. Reading the 2 chapters daily, I have down, so I'm actually going to change that habit. And then no spend, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. And then in this area, I just did some journaling on how I thought this month went, how I thought my goals went, how I thought my habits went, things like that. So looking back at that, here is May, and I'm going to set this guy up to see how well May goes, if I can stick to filling this out every day, and we'll see how it goes. So I did get this sheet again from Planner Kate. This is the same sheet that I used before, and I'm going to be pulling in some stickers from the Sophisticated Florals Happy Planner sticker book. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start on this side right here. I'm going to keep the May 2021 because there's really no need to change it. But I am going to pull in this box right here because I like having the lines, and I have to try to figure out if I can line this up correctly. Let's see. How good is that? That's pretty good, I think. Here, I think I'm going to put this kind of striped line, and I'm going to put it right there. This is where I like to kind of put a quote for the month and kind of keep it, this is not lining up right. I like to take a quote and kind of have it be, you know, kind of a mantra for the month, I guess you could say. There we go, that's better. And then I'm going to take, I think, this white one. You'll be able to see through a lot, but I don't really care. I just wanted to be able to write something down there. I'm going to put that guy right there. And then down here, I am going to put these. So let's see. This part fits right in here. I think I'll probably do this first before I set down the sticker. But I like using this to track my habits. And I'm only sticking with 4 habits right now until I can get that down and, you know, get those 4 done before I add in any more, because if I can do 4, then I can do 5. If I can do 5, then I can do 6, and just kind of move up from there. So this guy, I think I'm going to leave. I don't know. Let's see. What scripts are there? Project, school, work, goals. Goals. Where do I want to put goals? I don't think I want to put it anywhere, actually. Kids, important events, must do, birthdays, fitness. Don't forget. I think for the quote area, I actually am going to put don't forget, so I don't forget the quote. Instead of writing quote in there, I'll just put this kind of as a little reminder. And then I'm going to have to write out journal, because I don't see a journal script. And then my habits over here, I can pull this habits script, because that's what's going to be up there. And then I think I'm going to leave it like this. So then for the other side, I'm going to lay down some stickers too. I'm going to pull in these stickers from Erin Condren. These came in the back of the monthly planner that I have, but I'm going to pull in this peachy color right here. And I'm going to set this up the same way. I am going to, let's see, I think I'm going to skip a line, and then I'm going to start here. And then I'm going to count down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then do my next one. Let's see. There we go. And then pull in a couple more. I'm going to count down 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to do the same kind of in another column. These are going to be like my 6 categories, I guess you could say, for goals that I want to track. And then I'll pull in the last 2 peachy colored ones. But I really liked how this was set up. I liked having everything laid out and being able to check it off every month, or check it off when I get it done. Okay, so this is kind of how it is first laid out. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to fill out what I want. So my habits, I am definitely going to keep the workout 3 times a week, and then I'm also going to keep cleaning my sink at night, because those are ones that I did okay at, but I would like to do another month to kind of really ingrain them. And I am going to skip a line, because I like having that space to be able to like write if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to change it out next month. And then I'm not really quite sure what I'm going to do my other ones. I don't need to do the reading, because that's a habit I already have. I think I'm going to add in a 30-minute walk every day. I don't know how this one is going to go, but I need the extra exercise. I am trying to lose weight, so this is just a good extra thing to add in. Plus, I have a 1-year-old German Shepherd who could very, very easily need a 30-minute walk from me. My husband does it too, but maybe that's something that I can do. I don't know. This one might be a little bit hard to do, but I don't always want to have habits that are going to be easy, because if I'm working out 3 times a week and I have to do a 30-minute walk, I don't know. We'll see. It doesn't sound like it should be that hard, but I guess we'll find out. And then the last one is going to be to fill out my planners. I have gotten better at this, but I have a tendency to, like, sometimes I won't look at my planner, a certain planner, for like 3 days, and then I end up missing something. To be able to have my planners be functional, I need to make sure I'm looking at them so they can do their purpose. So that's one that I definitely want to work on. So then I'm going to transfer these down here to actually be able to track them, and then I'm just going to kind of write like a little, I'm not going to write out the whole thing, I'm just going to write out workout, clean sink, walk, and oh man, the last one's going to be kind of hard to fit in there. Workout, clean sink, walk, and then let me see if I can fill out planners in here. Got to write smaller. And then I will track these throughout the month. I got to remember to like get in here every single day too. So then here I am just going to write journal, because I like having the space to kind of reflect on how it worked that month. So journal there. Quote for this month. So the quote for this month I think is going to be very, very simple. So I'm going to write it a little bigger. And it's just going to be, mindset is everything. That's all it's going to be. It's going to be very simple, but very pertinent to kind of how I am. If I'm in a negative mindset or a pessimistic one, it's a lot harder for me to get everything done that I need to. So having a positive mindset or an optimistic one is very important for me. So this is something that I'm definitely going to have to keep in mind throughout the entire month. And I like having it in here to be able to remember it every single time I change to this. Like seeing that quote just kind of helps me focus a little bit. So then the categories over here. First one is health. And I like to keep these kind of the same. That way I can kind of, you know, carry goals over if I need to. So if I don't accomplish something a previous month, I can just take it and carry it over to the next one. And then this one down here was household things, and then personal. I really had to work on learning to write by the coil. I'm getting better. And then this one is YouTube. So these are my 6 categories. These may differ for everybody. These are the 6 that I kind of want to focus on. And then I have my goals for every single one of them. I'll fill those out in a second because those are going to take a little bit longer. But this page over here is pretty much done. So then what I want to do is I want to pull in some elements from this just to kind of give it a little bit of oomph. So I am going to kind of flip through this, and I found this quote right here. It says, "Get it done." And I really like that. So I'm going to put this guy right at the bottom here. Oops, and he just wants to stick. There we go. Right at the very bottom, just to add a little bit. And then I am trying to keep like a color theme. So I found these kind of florals there in this peachy color, but they also have these that are on clear paper and these ones, but they also have these ones, which I really, really like. So I think I'm going to try to pull in some of these and figure out how I can put these down. Oh no, I ripped it. There we go. Alright, sorry guys, my camera died and I didn't realize it. So I took some of those florals, I put them up there, and then I brought it and put it a little bit down here. And then I'm going to go back into the sticker book and I'm going to pull kind of those same florals but in the clear paper, and I'm going to bring a little bit of them over into this section, but just a little bit. So I think I'm going to take this floral and put it up in this corner like that, and then I'm going to take just this little leafy section and I'm going to bring it down in there, and I think that's all I'm going to do. So let me cut this. Alright, I think that's all the decorating I'm going to do. I'm just going to add a little pop of color, and then I added this quote down here, and it's really interesting to see. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there are 2 different color papers. It doesn't really bother me, but the Happy Planner is more of like a grayish white, and then the Erin Condren is kind of more of a creamy. It's just really interesting to see. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm going to go ahead and fill out all my goals, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and filled out my goals. Health for this month. I want to lose 4 pounds, close my Apple Watch rings 20 times, and then only order takeout 1 time a week, which includes any lunches, breakfasts, anything. Family, 1 camping trip, 2 bike rides, and 1 get together with like my parents and my brother and his family. Business, I want to do 25 listings. I need to work on my mock-up pictures, and I need to learn about SEO. YouTube, I want to gain 50 subscribers, upload 12 videos, and then I need to do some research on a new camera and computer. House, I need to, or I want to, set up the garden, clean out the garage, and make a project list for the summer. And personal, I want to get my eyebrows done. I want to work on doing my makeup at least 20 days out of the month, and then I need to clean out my wardrobe. So this is what my setup looks like. It's fairly simple. It has a lot of information on it, but it worked last month. It was very functional and I enjoyed using it. I probably checked it maybe 2/3 of the days of the month, so pretty good for me. We will see how May goes. I hope it continues to work. I really like the setup. Eventually I want to add in more habits down here once I know that I can do at least 4 habits. So this is what May looks like. I have Happy Planner stickers, just a few, maybe 4 or 5 stickers. This is a Planner Kate sheet over here that you can find in her shop, and these are a few stickers from the Erin Condren Monthly Planner. I'm almost positive that you can actually buy these stickers in sheets. If you can, I'll link it below so you guys can see where they are. But yeah, this is how I'm going to leave it. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you want to see more videos about the dashboard pages, maybe some other ways to use them. I am definitely willing to kind of work around, see how this works, maybe change it up a little bit. We'll see how it goes. Maybe this will change up when the new Life Planner comes out, if the dashboard pages change. So I guess we'll see. I only have 1 more month left in this. I'm pretty excited. If anybody else is doing some shopping or looking for a new planner, which one are you most excited about on Erin Condren? I'm going to be posting a whole bunch of information about it, so be looking for that video coming up soon. And yeah, I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!